Hi, welcome back. Mike from Motech Performance again. Another nice one for you today. We're smashing out these little vlogs, so hopefully you like the way they are. Nice and short, keeping it nice and simple. M2 Comp in for OPF system back. This will include the res delete, so this would be quite a dramatic difference in the way it sounds. Our new exclusive gloss black tailpipes. I knew these would be popular. I think it's probably about the third or fourth video that we've done with these in. I think we're going to have to order another batch of these. Eibach springs, 10mm spacers, carbon kits already fitted to this car, drop-in panel filters, carbon rear diffuser. Love M2 comps. With this setup, with the black tailpipes against the gloss carbon, and obviously on the M2 CS wheels as well, it's going to look stunning. So please let us know your thoughts on this one. This is going to be a nice car, and also the customer's got another car, which will be in another vlog we hope very, very soon. So keep your eyes open for that one, and on that vlog I'll let you know this car as well. So please like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think of the M2 with the black tailpipes and the full res delete system. Thanks a lot.